Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest camper reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of European luxury and comfort with the Mobilvetta K-Yacht 80 motorhome. Designed in Italy with a focus on elegance and innovation, this premium motorhome raises the bar for style, space, and long-distance travel comfort. Step inside and you're welcomed by a spacious, light-filled living area that blends contemporary design with premium functionality. The lounge features a large dining area, an integrated flat-screen TV option, ambient LED lighting, and wide panoramic windows that enhance the sense of space while traveling. The kitchen is fully equipped with modern appliances, including a multi-burner hob, a large refrigerator with freezer, generous storage cabinets, and high-quality countertops built for everyday use. The rear bedroom offers a comfortable island bed with ample wardrobe space, while the spacious bathroom setup includes premium fixtures, a separate shower, and hotel-style finishes, ensuring home-level comfort wherever the road takes you. Now, moving to the exterior, the Mobilvetta K-Yacht 80 presents a bold and modern design that reflects its premium status. Its sleek body lines and aerodynamic profile are designed to improve efficiency while maintaining a commanding road presence. The exterior features high-quality fiberglass construction, stylish graphics, and durable finishes built to withstand long journeys. Large storage compartments provide excellent practicality for extended trips, while the integrated awning creates an ideal outdoor living space for relaxing at campsites. The alloy wheels, LED exterior lighting, and signature Mobilvetta styling details add a sense of exclusivity. Built on a robust Fiat Ducato chassis, the K-Yacht 80 offers stability, safety, and confidence on the road without compromising driving comfort. When it comes to performance, the Mobilvetta K-Yacht 80 is engineered for smooth and reliable touring. It is powered by a proven turbo diesel engine that delivers strong torque and efficient fuel consumption, making it ideal for long-distance travel. Whether cruising on highways or navigating winding mountain roads, this motorhome provides a composed and comfortable driving experience. The advanced suspension setup ensures excellent ride quality, even on uneven surfaces, while the responsive transmission delivers smooth gear changes. Driver assist features such as cruise control, lane support systems, and parking aids help reduce fatigue and make maneuvering easier, especially in tight campsites or urban areas. It's a motorhome designed for relaxed, confident journeys. Finally, let's talk about the price. The Mobilvetta K-Yacht 80 sits firmly in the premium motorhome segment, with prices typically starting around $170,000 to $190,000, depending on specifications, engine options, and added features. While it's certainly not an entry-level option, it offers outstanding value for buyers seeking Italian design, high build quality, and long-term touring comfort. The price includes premium materials, advanced insulation, refined interiors, and the trusted engineering Mobilvetta is known for. Choosing the K-Yacht 80 means investing in quality, comfort, and a refined travel lifestyle. The Mobilvetta K-Yacht 80 offers a refined living experience that feels both luxurious and functional, making it ideal for extended adventures or full-time travel. Whether you're exploring scenic coastlines or embarking on cross-country journeys, the K-Yacht 80 provides comfort, confidence, and unmistakable Italian flair. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.